In this video, I'm going to explain how to view Ellii grades on Canvas. So every time your students complete assignments on Ellii will send back grades, results to Canvas. I'm logged in here as a teacher on Canvas, and I can simply go to view my gradebook. And every Ellii assignment that you added via LTI will be displayed here as a column. So here I have one, and I can see that this student finished with this score, this assignment. An important detail to notice here is that only complete assignments will display the score here automatically. When there's a dash here, it means this student completed the assignment, but there are pending tasks requiring manual grading from the teacher, or the student started the assignment but hasn't finished the assignment yet. If you want to see all grades on the gradebook, including partial grades, you can come back to your Ellii class, go to Details, choose the LMS option here, and click on this button that says Send Partial Results to LMS Gradebook. This will push all grades, including partial grades, to the gradebook. Note that this is a one-time action, so every time you need to see the updated grades on the gradebook, you need to come here and click again.
Ellii,